Let's see here. Okay, by the way, I have this on the website. Okay, so you don't have to write anything down. Okay. Okay, so we go to 140th index additive prime, and so I have redone this. Okay, copied and pasted from previous one. We've known this for a long time. 114th index additive prime is 7019. Okay, and that means that this 7019 was composed of an index plus a prime, and that's 808 plus 6211. And we know that 114th prime number is 619. So from this yellow line that I have here, and you can see it on our website, you immediately notice that 6211 it stands for chapter 62, which is called Friday today, has 11 verses, and so and 808 verse in the Quran is actually 619, and I asked everybody to go and read 619, and I'm sure that majority of you did, or maybe all, but anyway. So today we're going to look at 808 Gaussian Prime is 13499, and this one happens to be an Emirp. It happens to be 379th Emirp. And then once you look at 379, this is amazing, because 379, 3 plus 7 is 10 plus 9 is 19. So God is telling us there is something special about this. So let's see. Okay. 379 happens to be the 19th happy prime. Okay. 379th lonely Gaussian prime happens to be 9127. Okay. So you see, from that yellow line there, we came back to 9127. From the fact that chapter 62 has 11 verses, we came back to 9127. Okay? And I want you to look at 7019. 7019 is actually the numerical value of the verse 9127. Okay? So we came back to 9127. You know, we go on. 808 harmonic prime is 19699. Okay? And what's a harmonic prime? This is the definition from Wikipedia. For P equal to prime of index n, Boyd defines J subscript P to be the set of numbers K such that P divides, that's the website for it, the numerator of the harmonic numbers HK. For harmonic primes, JP contains only the three numbers P minus 1, P minus 1, P times P, and P minus 1 times P plus 1. Okay? This one was published in 1994. Okay? That's how recent this is. Okay? We didn't know about this before. Before 1994, we didn't know about this. Okay? Now let's see what happens here. 19699 is 673rd individual twin prime. It happens to be also a twin prime. And it happens to be the 673rd individual twin prime. If you count all the twin prime individually, when you get to 673, it's actually 19699. Okay? And guess what? Remember we were talking about regular primes? 673rd regular prime is 9127. Okay. This is how much God abhors falsehood. God says that he wipes out falsehood, okay, establishes the truth. This is how he does it. Okay. And so, if you want to learn about 673 that we've known before, all you do is you go to this right here and you search for 673 in the search box, okay? So right here, this is the first one that we had here. So you just keep going. Okay. 673rd biprime is 2363, the 2363rd verse from the beginning of the Quran, including the unnumbered Bismillahs in 1998. Go ahead and push this way a little bit so you can see it. Okay, it's 1998. 2363 actually 17 times 139. Recall there are 17 units of daily contact prayers. 139 is the number of letters in chapter 1, the opener, in the Quran, which is recited in each of the 17 daily contact prayers. Okay. And this coincides, now we know why. Because 673rd regular prime is 9127. Remember how many people they canceled the contact prayers? They said you don't have to do this, you don't have to do 17 rakas a day, you can only do 2 prayers or 1 prayer. I don't know, I lost count of those things. Okay? Everybody had an opinion. And nobody showed you an ounce of proof for what they were saying. Okay? And they misled a lot of people. So if I just go down, okay. Now look at this. 673rd Gaussian composite happens to be 11261, but 11261 is also a prime number and its index is 1362. 1362nd verse from the beginning of the Quran is 9127. How many different ways God has to show people that this is the true thing that we are watching? And this is the true heavenly window that God is showing us. This view, this beautiful view that we had no privilege, okay, to see before. And as I told you, these things could not be explained, okay, in the previous century, because these are the artifacts and the findings of this century. I told you that paper was published in 1994, but you have to put all of these together in order to make sense out of it. Okay. So again, as I said, we have this on the site, and again, you can go ahead and find it, okay, and enjoy it. And this is today's finding, okay, and we can see it. Okay. And praise God for this, okay, and thank Him. Thank Him for showing us this heavenly view, okay, that we witness every week by God's grace. Okay. So I'm going to stop here and we'll finish on Jum'ah. Allah Kabir.